Mavi Legaspi ang magiging kapuso royal tropa ni Kuya sa inaabangang Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition this March. At bukod sa career, blooming din ang love life ni Mavi na may proud na inamin. Bakit chika kay Nelson Canlas?
Iba ang kislap sa mga mata ni Mavi Legaspi nang tanungin ko tungkol kay Ashley Ortega. Nitong Valentine's Day, nag-post sila ng pag-abot ni Mavi ng bouquet of roses kay Ashley. Proud din siyang sabihin, girlfriend na niya, si Ashley.
Oh yes, of course naman. Yes, of course.
So how is it so far?
I mean, relationship-wise, I think we're just very focused sa work. I mean, I have also like, besides PBB, I also have an upcoming project. So parang, we respect each other's craft.
Everything's coming up roses nga para kay Mavi. Lalo't ipinakilala na rin siya sa It's Showtime bilang isa sa mga kapuso host ng Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition. Makakasama niya si kapuso Gabby Garcia at sina kapamilya host Kim Chiu, Enchong D, Robbie Domingo, Melay Cantiveros at Bianca Gonzalez.
It was such a surreal feeling kasi, you know, I've always dreamt of it. Tsaka, syempre, there are a lot of fans of PBB, Pinoy Big Brother, no? And I was also one of them. And just to see myself being one of the hosts, it's really an honor and I'm really excited talaga.
Game din si Mavi kung bigyan siya ng task ni Kuya na pumasok sa PBB house o kung maging PBB housemate ang girlfriend.
Good luck na lang sa kanya. Kakayanin, syempre. Makakatulong din naman yun sa kanya if ever. And I'm sure she's gonna enjoy it.
What about his mom, Carmina, o twin sister na si Cassie?
Extrovert naman yung mommy ko eh. So I think it's gonna be easy for her. Kaya niya yun.
Okay, si Cassie.
Si Cassie, dun medyo kabado. Dun. Pero feeling ko kayang-kaya naman ni Cassie sa bahay ni Kuya. Feeling ko lang mamimiss na niya yung outside world.
Ready rin kaya si Mavi kahit sino ang pumasok sa bahay ni Kuya?
I'm sure she'll do well. You know, she's been in the industry for a while, so I'm sure it will be exciting din.
Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happening!